At the age of 20 years old, I became Muslim. I was born into a Persian family that was extremely secular, and they don't practice any type of religion whatsoever. My grandfather was the one who brought the refrigerator and the automobile to Iran, so he became what you would say almost like today's like billionaire status. In fact, there's multiple people within my family still right now, multiple that are in the billionaire status. But what happened was when we came, my family used to go on vacation all around the world. By the time I was 4 years old, I'd been to Europe, to here. Actually came to the United States. And when we came here to Southern California, well, not Southern, I'm in Northern California. When I came to California, my family came on vacation, and the revolution happened, and we ended up staying here. As we stayed up here, me have absolutely no idea what Islam is, and my parents hiding it from me. I grew up in a very tough situation, going through a lot of challenges because there's no Islam to guide me. And the reason why my parents hid it from me is because in Iran, the extremely wealthy are as secular as possible, and the people who are not wealthy are as religious as possible. And there's that division between the two. So not only did they not teach Islam to me, but it was kind of hidden from me. So to their shock, I actually discovered Islam in Los Angeles, and I became Muslim overnight. And many of my friends also became Muslim overnight. And that shocked my parents. So much so that my father started hitting his head against the wall, and my mother started screaming, "How did you find this religion? And how did you find it in America, of all places?" And at that time, there was only like one masjid in our entire community. Today, you have about 6 or 7 within like the same community. But it was, even at that time in the 90s, it wasn't very popular. I mean, average American didn't know what Islam was. So for me to discover, it was very shocking to them. And as I discovered this religion, and I eventually, alhamdulillah, started learning more and more, alhamdulillah, I quickly learned as soon as I discovered the religion, and I accepted it, that what Islam teaches and what Muslims do are two different things. And I say, alhamdulillah, Allah showed me Islam before he showed me the Muslims. So, so when I eventually got to the age of, like, not age, but getting to time of looking to get married, and like many of us have gone through, or maybe going through right now, I wasn't looking to get married. I was just learning about Islam, like brand new to Islam. So I'm going to tell you guys my quick story of how my struggle started for marriage, and see if it resembles some things that you may have gone through. So I couldn't go through my family if I wanted to get married. My parents are not religious whatsoever. I couldn't go through my friends because they're all single like me. And I couldn't go through my community because they had no programs like they have here in MCC. MCC, by the way, let me just take a quick note here. This is a free plug for MCC, and they're not telling me to tell you guys this, but I've been through all these masjids from all around the United States, actually around different parts of the world. And I have rarely seen a masjid like MCC that cares so much about the Muslims and cares so much about especially the single Muslims and trying to help them. And my hat goes off to them, alhamdulillah, because they're amazing. They're very unique. So you are blessed to be part of this community. Now, most communities do not have anything like this.